What can I say? I'm awesome like that. Here we go. Hello everyone, Sat here. How you guys doing? Okay, carrying on with brand new animal, BNA. Yeah, I'm a bit late because blackouts can't be helped. But hey, she can fly now. And yeah, that cult thing is just getting shittier and shittier. And now they're right. It's gonna be a partnership with them and the pharmaceutical guys, right? Yeah, evil does evil. Probably. And again, someone's being fooled. Let's just see what happens next. Here we go. Okay, we have a cold opening and a lot of corpses in it. Okay! So, what was that nightmare about? And this is a new... Okay. Where do you know? I'm pretty sure they hired that guy to kill you. So wait, 5,000 is the number of cults? That's a big cult. So yeah, they got followers and shit now. Yeah. Right across from your house. That might be a nice door. Yeah, best friend was supposed to be over there. Because she's used to flying now. Still need a license! Yeah, there you are. Are you gonna go hang out? Yeah, it took her a while. Okay, don't say it so often. There's some animals with super hearing. Okay, she's really going all in. She's always been all in. Yeah, I know, it's a new thing too. Let's go. Oh, this guy. Yeah, he got his horn broken off. Oh, that was brutal. Okay, so that's a question. I mean, he's wearing a mask. That's always a question. Yeah, what did they do to you? Oh. Shit, he's about to go berserk. Okay, that's no more than just breaking out. You bulldozed through. Yeah, so what did they do to you? Okay, why is that dog like that? Come on. Watch it! I think they're okay. Yeah, I don't think that smoke screen is helping. Okay, you're not winning this one. No! Yo! Okay, he rebounds quick. And... yeah, he has super healing. Ooh. He'll heal from that too. So what can you do? What's she doing? Is she actually going to try and fly with him? Look at you! Look at him! That's not happening! Okay, seriously, I know you want to help, but that is not happening. There you go. Think of something else. Okay, that's again. Wait, are you seriously expecting this to happen? Okay, now it might happen. Yeah! I don't want to call bullshit though. Ow! Alright, but he might go, towards the, mainland. And... okay. Oh. Oh, lucky there was a building there. With a lot of chain. Okay, it's not over. Whoa! Will he heal from that? Oh, yeah. That's kind of poetic, because, yeah, he broke the horn last time, and now the new one's like, ouch. Ooh, he is pissed. Yeah, he's not healing from that one. Okay, that is a lot of blood. Oh! Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all the blood. Yeah, careful. That guy will kill you. Ooh! Whoa! But it's made of wood, so... Okay, I can trick him out. I don't think Shiro is in the... okay, I don't think you're in any position either. Okay, yeah, she's crushed. And you're in no shape to help. Well, maybe her body is malleable, so we should her, maybe? Okay, you've been hiding something. Guess he's the real one. Oh shit. Oh shit! When did he do okay? Yep. And yeah. Okay, no arms, no problem. Gotcha. Did he just split him in three? Yeah, he did. Was that enough though? And yeah, I don't think this was good for him. Yeah, you're here fast though. Yeah, so you've been hiding Ginro this whole time. Yeah. I know, right? He probably is. What can she do with the information? So, we're gonna get the backstory? Okay, he is immortal. Yeah, have there been other Ginros as well? It sounds like it. Okay, then what happened? And whose fault was it? Ah, of course they did. Oh, they're killing cute cat girl there. Come on. Yeah, that was not a good move. Ooh. Yeah, that's a graphic history. So he took in all their grudges and was reborn as Ginryu. Of course, that would be the first thing he does. Aww. So he couldn't fulfill his grudge. And then he realized he kinda did the same thing. Yeah, you kill a lot of people. And that's also why he hates humans. Gotcha. Okay, now I'm wondering how old she is. Of course. Damn Nazis. Whoa! Okay, so it's not like he learned his lesson from before. I mean, he did it again. I mean, they're Nazis, so... I think that counts, yeah. Go ahead. Okay, how old is a bird to you? Really? He'd better not be your friend. Okay, he's up. Yeah, she's stubborn like that. Yeah, that prison break thing. Gotta get to the bottom of that. Oh, yeah. He's messed up. She's also a science. Yeah. Well, we're probably not going to give you everything. Ah, so sketchy. Alright, well, the plot show does thickens. So, that whole cold opening was simply his past. Because he has killed a lot of people, it seems. It's a sad history, but yeah. So it's basically this series is Wolverine, he's immortal. That was ridiculous though, that whole fight. Yeah, it was amazing though, but still ridiculous. How was Mickey able and still calling bullshit that even though the wings were bigger? So, she wants to tell her friend, her former bestie, how is she going to take it on? What exactly is the point? I mean, she knows she's fake. But will having the real one out there matter? Really? It's not like he cares, he doesn't care. Okay, so, a lot is going that's happening. It seems to be rushing towards the finale. Well, I'm just curious how things are going to end up. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, that was that video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like. It really helps out. Any comments? I'll for your thoughts. You haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please don't check out my other stuff. See you guys in the next one. Bye.